We are waiting for the tram for the Getty Center.
Yes, it's an art museum slash gardens. It's a little odd because of the tram, but we're going with it. We already lost the parking ticket and we have hardly got out of the car. So that's awkward. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Here we go. I'm gonna drink some beer out of that. Yep, you should pause it and read this. Kind of funny. YouTube better not censor these. What do you think of this place?
I think it's good. It's interesting with the wings and the different buildings, so that's unique about it, and they have some interesting art here.
Oh yeah, look at this beautiful handheld pan. What's so funny?
I just love Steven's intent focus when he takes photos and video. It makes me giggle.
Get out of here. It's like she stares deeply into your soul. Forever. And ever. Hey Laura.
Hi Steven.
What are we looking at?
We are looking at Los Angeles from the Getty Museum. Below you can see some of the gardens, but there's Los Angeles.
I don't know what this is, but it's popular. Laura made an impossible picture to copy to take a photo of our day in front of this painting.
We're gonna recreate this.
We have to look like this. So we'll see how it goes.
But technically I'm on the side with the apples.
Yes. And I'm like right in front of this guy.
You better scoot forward.
What is this painting?
It's Haystacks by Claude Monet.
Who's Monet?
He's an impressionist painting from 1840 to 1926, and he's French.
Is he famous?
Very famous.
What other works has he done?
The water lilies.
Laura found an Amy Poehler sign. Yeah, you got a crowd. Where are we, Laura?
We are on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Can we already see that
looking at
guy?
Bing Crosby, we saw him twice. Lizzie Wigner, we saw Betty White. B.B. King.
Oh, B.B. King. There's for Michael.
Ray Charles. I'm surprised Amy Poehler has one.
Why?
I don't know.
Because she's not dead?
Well, she's not like this crazy bigwig.
Here's Dorothy's costume from Wizard of Oz. We are in the Chinese theater for The Lion King. I don't know who this is, so if you know, let me know. What is this? Keanu Reeves was here May 14th. Just saw Lion King, what'd you think?
It was good. Definitely go see it. And there are no end credits, but you won't be disappointed if you like The Lion King. Although, disclaimer, the Be Prepared song is not as great.
Too late, you got cut out by the music. I think that goes on for... This is a Chinese theater where we just watched Lion King. And they're setting up for Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Their red carpet here, so they're gunking up the whole road. Yeah, if you want to see famous people, come here tomorrow. Which is really way in the past, because it's not going to be tomorrow when I put this up.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a year later.
No, it won't. A couple months maybe. It is the night before. And people are already lining up. Huh? Is it? What do you feel about the lineup a whole day early
That's excessive.
to see famous people?
Yeah, that's weird.
Too much?
Yeah, it's too much.
You don't like Margaret Robbie?
I don't know what that is.
She was the girl in Suicide Squad. You don't like that one guy?
No, I don't like Brad Pitt, really.
Oh, but you don't like Brad Pitt? He's so dreamy.
Yeah. Steven, put that away.
Huh?
We're almost perfect fits.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Here's Laura, hands and knees to put her hands in Cher's handprints. What do you think?
We're perfect fits.
Perfect?
Yeah. Are you gonna take a picture?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Hurry up. It's awkward.